So here we are on a job over at Stockport, and this is the refurb kit that everybody keeps wondering about. So we're going to open this kit up and show you exactly what you get in a refurb. So that is the stand for the Starlink. This is the dish, and it is absolutely spotless. If we look at the other side, as if it's never been fitted. In the box you also get the router, no marks underneath it, absolutely perfect. You also get the Starlink cable for the power lead, and this is the dish cable. Now this has never been fitted, and this is a refurb kit. So this is Starlink installers over at Stockport installing a Refurb Starlink.